Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Drive account and making sure Zarchiver is installed. That avoids permission surprises. Once done, open Google Drive and find the archive file you want to extract. Tap the three-dot menu or long press, then choose Share or Open with. Select Zarchiver from the list. If Zarchiver is not visible, tap More to reveal it. This hands-off switch hands the archive to Zarchiver so you can work on extraction immediately. You now operate inside Zarchiver where you see the archive contents. This preview matters because you can avoid extracting unwanted files. Tap an archive entry to open the context menu, then choose Extract here to unpack in the current folder, or Extract to and specify a folder for organization. If you only need one file, tap View or Open directly. Make sure to enter a password if the archive is encrypted. Because extraction will fail without it, don't you finish by moving or sharing the extracted files. Long press the files, choose Move or Share, and pick a folder or save to Drive. Once moved, verify file integrity and that permissions allow other apps to open them. If extraction fails, check Free Storage and App Permissions. Often Android blocks access. Go to Settings and grant Zarchiver Storage or Manage Files permission, then retry. If a specific file won't open, try extracting that single file again to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.